Where does Mr. Epstein come in, and what about the Prime Minister? There are hardly any references to the Prime Minister. I know there was another, person who says, oh, on such and such date, something is going to happen, some disclosures will come, the government will have to fall, and, this will happen. It's talking nonsense. The Prime Minister has never met Mr. Epstein. The Prime Minister has never interacted with Mr. Epstein. Mr. Epstein is in conversation with somebody who turns around and says, Modi's on board. So Epstein tells Steve Bannon, Modi's on board. Did you ask Mr. Modi? The visit to Israel is the one thing they're talking about, I think it's 2017. And the MEA has issued a clear-cut statement trashing what is in the Epstein file. Okay, now the Prime Minister has nothing to do with it. Prime Minister of India, elected in May 2014. Okay, he's transformed the country, doesn't appear anywhere in Epstein files except in the young leader of opposition's fertile imagination and those nutcases who provide him inputs and get him into trouble periodically. Sometimes the Brazilian model, sometimes tearing an ordinance. Let's leave that aside. Then you come to an industrialist. His name is there. And why has he not been arrested? That man is under investigation for acts of omission or commission committed in India. What have the Epstein files which are there got to do with it? If there's some references, let that man deal with it. Why are you bringing it up in Parliament? All right, you do that, I'm not defending. Bring up my name. When it was Samvidhan Divas, I think 26 November, he walked up to me and winked. No, once I didn't see it, second time again. I said, what is wrong with the man? He said, yes. Oh, name is in interesting places. I said, you want to know what it is? I had sent him a note clarifying that between 2008, when I went to 2009, when I went to New York, and 2017, I met Epstein a total of 4 times.